car show. Just because it's a race car doesn't mean I can't bring her out to show it off. So I'm here at a local car show. Also here, there's another lovely Mitsubishi 2000 GT here. Unfortunately, there's only 2 Mitsubishi guys here. So other than that, some nice cars out here. We got the baby here. I'm out here having fun. Car show. Stay tuned. We're here at a car show. I brought the 1G. Some crazy cars over here. Talon hydros. Got another Mitsubishi here. There's only 2. This is my beast. I'm out here to see if I can. I'm out here to see if I can win a trophy. Oh damn! She's scraping. She's scraping. That's awesome. That's awesome. Alright, let's see if I win a trophy. I hope I do. Hey, what's up? Turbo Tom here. I just got back from the car show with the drag beast. She drove fine. She drove more than fine. She drove fantastic. I fixed all the electrical issues I was having. That's all sorted out. I drove it for a little bit. First is like roasting the tires. Second gear is actually chirping with the ratchet shifter. So that ratchet shifter is doing wonders. You know what I mean? And I'm glad I did it. So anybody who wants to do the ratchet shifter mod, do it. It's worth it. You know what I mean? I love it. You know what I mean? But well, at the car show, I didn't win anything. Kind of upset about that, but I'm not gonna be salty about it. It is what it is. So until the next time, you know what I mean? I'll probably go to another car. I will go to another car show. So just hope I can win something. You know, it's nice when you go there and win something. You know what I mean? Just give me 3rd place. You know. So. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. You know, until next time, keep boosting. Peace.